Hi friends, this is Shiva. Welcome back to Pictures and Paintings. Seagulls are very smart birds, and there is something about them which makes me enjoy every time I paint it. In this vlog, you are going to watch me paint these two seagulls nesting. Happy watching. beautiful birds, and I should say every time I paint them, it's a breeze. For this particular painting, I used a photograph by Roger Williams. He has a great collection in his Flickr page. If you like wildlife photos, you should definitely drop by. I will leave the link in the description. In terms of what I like in this painting and what could have been better, I really like the simplicity I have given for the rocks. I have the tendency to go into painting every minute details, but in this particular one I restricted myself to keeping it very simple, and to a good extent I feel that complements the birds. The level of details on the birds and the background matches, so I like the way in which the rock has come out, and also the bloom effect on the background breaks down the evenness. If you watch the video, you will realize the difference before the blooms and after the blooms. For people who are new to watercolor, how do you get the blooms is after a coat of wet paint, before the paint completely dries, you sprinkle plain water, a few drops of the water, and wherever the water falls, it just spreads around, creating a bloom effect. And in terms of what could have been better, there is not much to pick up in this because for me, this is a very straightforward, simple painting, just as a stress buster more than anything else. But if I have to be very picky, I don't think I got the shadow of the bird on the wall exactly right like the reference picture. But I'm okay. For anyone who doesn't compare this with the reference photo, might not notice those small little details. What do you think? As always, please share your thoughts in the column below. Thank you for watching this till the end. See you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.